What is Zenegy app? So Zenegy app is quite popular in, I guess in Denmark. It's kind of like HR app where you can just log in as an employee in this app, and then you can get your salary statements. You can add your hours if you have like some freelance positions. You can add your holidays and all stuff like that. So it's kind of HR app where you can just manage all of the things, and it's quite popular in Denmark. I don't know if it's only in Denmark or it's also available in other countries, Scandinavia and all of that. But yeah, this is just an app you can try out. Um, it's pretty cool, and they have a mobile app which is nice. It has a good rating, and it's just easy to add your hours here, see your salary statements, add holidays, everything in one place. And then you can just register with your work account. Of course, your company you work at needs to use this app. So there you have it.